Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning. This house is a bit of a mess, so we're gonna do a quick tidy up and then we're gonna get to prepping for all the fall decor. We're also going to tackle getting the florals onto the mantle and decorating the fireplace, and spoiler alert, it looks absolutely amazing. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been with me before, hi, welcome back. Let's get started. Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's video. So we are definitely going to decorate some things for fall. I'm so excited for it. Feel as though we have been waiting for this for the last couple of months. Now is the time. However, I first need to do a little bit of cleaning because it's always better to decorate on top of a clean surface. And this place is a mess right now. If you've been around this last week especially, you know it has been busy here. Rob and I were working on a project that is just about buttoned up, but I need to clean up the big mess that I have made. This dining room table is where I was doing the photo shoot stuff. Right there. So I need to, number one, clean up this whole entire area, but I'm also wanting to create a little bit of like a studio area in another part of our house. So for now, I am just going to clean this off. I've got this bin right here that I think I'm gonna put all of our prop stuff, like the extra props that I have, like these things right here, like stuff like that, I definitely want to keep together. So I'm gonna put all of that into this. Hi Kai, we need to do a little bit of Swiffering, a little bit of vacuuming, pick up some toys. You guys know we always have toys around. Maybe even vacuum our sofas. Like, it's been a while since I have really done a deep clean. And then we've got boxes that I need to unpack, and that is all of our supplement stuff. So I need to get that into our containers over here. You guys can see there's just stuff not put back. I did take out some pork chops for dinner tonight, so we've got that. Groceries still haven't put away, dishes that need to be done, a dishwasher that needs to be emptied. So I definitely have some cleaning that I need to do before we actually decorate. Decorating our space for fall is actually really a pretty simple process because my house lends towards like moody vibe because we have such warm colors. Now, over the years, we have painted areas in white just to kind of brighten up the space, but we still like the dark and moody decor with pops of color and just the bright white walls. So the crispness of that. And then when you add on or layer on those warm, moody tones of fall decor, it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm very excited for it, but let's get to cleaning first. Okay, I gotta get out of my office. I did a little bit of work in here and I'm working on a few things. I need to not clean this area right now because I'm getting a little bit sidetracked. What we're gonna start off with though is I'm gonna go pick up dog poop. I'm not gonna take you with me. Nobody wants to see that. But that part of the yard is in shade right now. It's already 80 something degrees outside. It's only gonna get hotter throughout the day. So I'm gonna get my outside stuff done first, and then we'll head back in. I realized that I forgot in the last video how I was gonna use the sea salt. So this is what my thought was for Rob's challenge coins, like this one and this one here, that I could just set them up this way, and I think that looks so cool. I was looking for the lava rock, but they were too big. This fine sea salt in black worked absolutely perfect. Some of this stuff I got from our garage. Some of it though, I am definitely going to need to put into like the props bucket, but some of this stuff actually just needs to go back to where I got it from because some of it is just from the house. But I can't wait to get our dining room back. Also, by the way, so Rob looked at this. Do you remember this from the last video? 404. And Rob actually said that this is silver. There's a little thingy, I don't know, somewhere on here that shows what it is, but I don't know, I thought that was kind of cool. There were two there. I probably should have bought both, but anyhow, thought that was pretty neat. This was the plant stand from my office that I had to use to hold up this light because the edge of the table was too thick for this. So that actually worked out really well. I now have Roxy going. She's gonna finish up. I got all the edges of the carpet, but oh my gosh, and I did all of the rugs. So we are in really good shape. And I have to tell you guys, it feels so good to have my house put back together. The last week for sure has been uber busy, but really the last several months have just been crazy. I also have all of these. We've got some new product things that I need to take into my office. We got some new cards here for people. So if you've purchased from our store before, the Live Happy Labels store, you get a different kind of a thank you card. So anyways, I need to move this stuff into my office and I need to pack things up into the little poly bags again, but we've got some new fun things in here that'll launch probably in the next couple weeks. But for now, I can't be bothered with it. I am going to take a beat and enjoy the fact that my house is put back together. It's clean. I'm gonna watch a show and just relax and enjoy it. I decided to relax and enjoy having a clean, put together house before I blow it apart decorating for fall. So what we're gonna do is I'm actually going to unpack everything that is here. We're gonna unpack this right here as well and just kind of see what we're working with. And I'm just gonna spread it all across this table right here. And we are going to decorate this mantle today. That is the goal. Unpack everything over here and decorate the mantle. So all of the florals we need are gonna be mostly right here. So let's go ahead and start unpacking everything. If you guys remember from the last video, we've got these. By the way, I did go back to Kirkland's. I ended up getting another lamp for when we redo Rob's office. I also got this one right here, and how cool is this? I love it so much. So anyhow, these will just be sitting here for now, but that's to come. I just wanted to let you guys know that I did keep the one that we bought together for my office. I think it looks beautiful, but I think these will be perfect for the vibe we're going for in Rob's office. This is what we are working with. We really do have a lot of things. So here are the rattan wickery baskets I have. This one, and this one. So we have some stuff to play with. I also have a few things in here. So I actually don't have room to put it on the table. So I'm gonna leave all of this in here for now. This goes onto the mantle, so we can leave that. That's another garland that goes across one of our side tables, so we'll leave that there too. And then this is all the Halloween stuff. How cute are these? I just, oh, love, 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 love. Gonna keep this all in here because we're not decorating for Halloween just yet. What I wanna do is get all of this put up, and then we kind of sprinkle the Halloween decor into everything. And I think that's kind of a good game plan because obviously all of these colors absolutely work for Halloween too.
Headmaster, these boys have flouted the decree for the restriction of underage wizardry.
I am super happy with how this mantle has come out. It is absolutely beautiful. Also, I think it's very much worth taking the time to place each of the picks in there. So I started with 2 big garlands. This one here that I believe I got at Home Goods a few years ago. And then on top of that, I got another one that I got at, and it's hard to see because it's kind of like in there, but I got the other one at Hobby Lobby, and I just layer them, and then I take each of the individual picks and I just place it however I want it to look. And I love the way this has come out. So again, it's always a work in progress when you decorate for the seasons because I'll add things, I'll move things around, but this is what we've got so far for underneath here. I do need to go in and I need to get just a few more fall vibey kind of stems. Now I love this one, but I only have a handful, and by themselves I love it, but I don't have enough to fill up this big basket, and I love the basket there. I like the wicker vibes down here. I had envisioned something for the dining room table, which we're gonna get to in the next video, but I can't find more of these guys. However, we might also in the next video take a trip to a couple of our decor stores here, and I don't know, maybe we'll find something that is wickerish, rustic-y, rattan, jute, kind of what I'm going for, but we'll see, we'll see. But this is, I think, a really, really good start and main focal point, but you can see how like it's just too green I feel. Like it's just, it needs to be either super, super dark green, like that green right there, because it's just a little bit too bright. But I will say, I do like the vibe in general. So we're definitely going to stick with the ferny, kind of like this kind of a spray leaf. I love that. So, all right guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you also like how this mantle has come out. Again, I am very happy with how all of these florals work together, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. All right guys, we're gonna continue on in the next video. I'll see you then. Bye.